you have a habit of using GPT to assist with your copywriting? If so, you've probably faced this situation before. Your meticulously crafted copy fails the AI detection test, and your creative work gets labeled as machine-generated content. Just when you're racking your brain over how to make AI text undetectable, I've got the perfect helper for you, the Spanish Text Humanizer, one that can prevent your AI creations from being easily identified. Today, I will guide you through the process of humanizing your Spanish text with the right tools and teach you how to bypass AI detection for free. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button for ongoing insights and strategies on boosting your work and learning productivity with AI tools. Once you're ready, let's jump right in. Bypassing AI detection is simpler than you might think, thanks to a remarkable tool called Tenorshare AI Bypass. For your convenience, I've included the link in the video description below. This tool is designed to convert AI content into text that is indistinguishable from human writing. It promises 100% plagiarism-free, human-like text that can circumvent detectors like GPT-0 and Crossblag. Let's see how it works and if it lives up to its promise. We will ask ChatGPT to generate a 600-word article in Spanish on how to improve the quality of text content. Then, we will test this article with the artificial intelligence detection removal tools GPT-0 and Copyleaks. Finally, we will compare the results together. This can detect our essay as machine-generated with high confidence. Now, it's time to put Tenorshare AI Bypass to the test. To get started, simply search for Tenorshare AI Bypass or click the link below my video. I'll paste our essay here and choose the Ultra Enhanced mode for optimal results. We have two options, check for AI and humanize. Let's see what happens. Running the check for AI test, we find that our article is flagged as generated by artificial intelligence. But don't worry, it's time to humanize it. After processing, we get a fully humanized article that passes all artificial intelligence detection tests. We're not done yet, though. To ensure rigorous detection results, we must test the humanized content again with GPT-0 and Copyleaks. Let's start with GPT-0. After a short wait, the text is determined to be predominantly human-written. Next, we test it with Copyleaks. The analysis shows only minimal signs of AI involvement, deeming the text essentially human-written. By following these steps, we can easily obtain an article that passes AI detection with flying colors. The process of converting AI content into human-like and undetectable text using Tenorshare AI Bypass is as simple as copying and pasting. I highly recommend applying this method to enhance your work and life, potentially reshaping your work process and greatly improving efficiency. That wraps up today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy writing!